I am sitting here on the ground, leaned up against a big old tree here. I'm at Devil's Tower National Monument right now, and the picnic area, the parking, there's no parking there at all. It's totally full. So they sent me forward up here to where the campground is, but officially they have the campground closed, I guess. You know, during the rally, apparently. No, since there was no place for the picnic, to park the picnic over there, they let me come over here and had me sit. I could be over on the picnic table, but it's in the sun. I want to be in the shade, so that's why I'm sitting here and leaning against the tree. I just finished eating. So, yeah, and I did a live stream. I started in Belfouche, and it lasted 1 hour and 6 minutes or so before it automatically cut out. It's automatically ended. I don't know if there's some time limit on the server while you're streaming. I'm pretty sure it's with the GoPro servers. I know there's no way it's YouTube. Not after only just a little over an hour. That's crazy. I'm pretty sure there's some issue with that, or maybe even with the camera. I'm not sure. But I'm thinking I'm not sure if I can afford it yet, but I might ride over to Spearfish and take a look. Maybe go to Walmart and get a new GoPro camera. I looked online. They have the Hero 12 for $279. Maybe I can spring for that, but I'm not 100% sure. And then maybe try out a new camera, but I don't know yet. I'm going to have to take a look and see how much money I got available to see if I can spring for it. But anyways, I'm going to take... Oh, I got to show you my view. That's my view. The Devil's Tower. Yeah, and this is the picnic area. Or not the picnic, this is the campground. I mean, actually, most of the sites are empty. I think these are probably people that are working during the rally for directing traffic up in the parking lot. That's what I think. I'm pretty sure these are probably people that are working. Oh, but yeah, anyways, yep, tonight I'm going to the Buffalo Chip again. And they have, there's looks like there's going to be a motorcycle jump there that I want to see. There's a few other things I've already seen in years past, but I really want to see that. And then also performing tonight is Josh Ross. He's a country artist. He's fairly new. He's more of a recent, someone who's emerged kind of fairly recently, within the last couple of years or few years or something. And then after that is Nickelback. I've never seen them perform before. I'm actually not familiar with any of their songs either, so I'm not. Yeah, I may go to that too. You know, I don't know. I'll play it by ear since I'll be there. I want to see Josh Ross for sure. I listen to him. I listen to country music lately, and he's got some good songs out. So. Yeah, so I'm thinking I'll play it by ear for whatever the next video clip is. So it might be at the Buffalo Chip, might be sooner. I don't know. But anyways, we'll talk to you later. All right, walking into the Buffalo Chip right now, and I'll tell you more about how this day went later on. Probably after I'm home back at the tent. After the concert. It was gonna get loud when I'm in the Buffalo Chip little amphitheater. I want to get in there. It's just gonna probably be just a video clip like I did last night. So anyways, talk to you later.
Guys, on 2 wheels coming your way. Some of these guys are gonna be doing tricks tonight, but it is all business tomorrow.
It's gonna be a big night, a heavy crowd already. Oh man, amazing. Really something else. It'll be crowded.
That's incredible.
You'll be up there.
Yep.
Wait, what's going on now? What's going on with Blake? Wait, all eyes on Blake.
foremost, guys. Everything I do in my life, I give all the glory to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. He keeps me safe doing this. I've been doing this over 20 years. This is the biggest stunt I'll do. Over 150 foot of fire. I'm fully engulfed. I'll hit the first wall impact at over 40 miles an hour, and I pray I make it all the way through to the other end.
That's beautiful, buddy. Also beautiful. Make some noise for Blake Walinda. He made it all the way across. And he did it for all of us here, y'all. He did it for every single person, every single citizen here at the beautiful Bikini Beach Buffalo Chip.
How many people are out here to see them play? And also, you know who the headliner is, but these guys right here can't wait to hit this stage and do what they do for you, all right? Because that's what they do, and they're going to play it real damn good for you. So, if you're ready for some Josh Ross, somebody make some noise! Turn it up! I want them to hear it back there, everybody. Fire up your motorcycles. Give them a round right now. Turn it up, make it go. Make it go. Josh Ross in the house, make it go. Josh Ross in the house, make it go. They're going, oh my God, there are people out here. Yeah! Hey, yeah! Enjoy the show, everybody. Enjoy the show. Woo!
Spend another night alone, reaching for the space left. I don't think anybody else is partying like this on a Wednesday. So thank you for being here. My name is Josh Ross. This next song is called Red Flames. Let's have some badass time. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, South Dakota! Then we're going to bring out Mike Space Tech. He's going to jam a tune with us. Let's bring him out. Ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for Mr. Rob Dawson! Rob's going to jam a tune with us. We recorded on an album called All the Right Reasons. I'm even going to turn this goddamn guitar on. There we go.
Now let's see if we can get everybody singing along. Here we go.
Obviously it's the next morning. When I got back to camp, I think it was like almost 1:45 or something like that. It was after about 1:30, something like that. And so I just went to bed. But anyways, that was an awesome show by both Josh Ross and Nickelback. I'm glad I got to see both of them perform. I've never seen either of them perform live before, so really glad that I got to be there. But anyways, oh yeah, what I was gonna say, I was gonna get a new camera, you know, a GoPro Hero 12, and apparently you have to buy it online and like have it delivered at a Walmart. And by the time I realized that it said the pickup would be after 11 a.m. and even then it was like I didn't know exactly when, or I just didn't decided not to get the camera or anything, so I'm just gonna have to work with whatever I got. And so all right, anyways, that's gonna wrap up this video, and stay tuned for the next one.